there. Forget my past. Let's look at the future.
Madam Speaker, I will now forget that you are also in FDC. I will forget.
You forget.
Since you have instructed me.
Actually, I have not been, I was there and I left there. I don't regret leaving.
Yeah, Madam Speaker, I take your counsel, I will forget. But the question Honorable Government was answering, the leader of opposition singled out the journalist. But the point he was making was about deployment of JAT, Joint Anti-Terrorism, to deal with issues of election that are not terrorism. That's what you must answer as government. Why must you have joint anti-terrorism? Because, Madam Speaker, we all have videos of a NUP candidate being grabbed, tearing his shirt, beating people who were with him. The journalist was just unlucky that he was severely beaten. But if anyone wants, I have these videos here, we can play them, of JAT beating, shooting. That's what governments must answer. Since when did the elections become terrorism? That you must deploy joint anti-terrorism. I thought that the Honorable Bahati, who by arriving early in Parliament has become permanent in the government. Each time they call government, he stands up. And I was about, Madam Speaker, to complain because all the front bench is full of all the junior ministers.
There is an order.
I think we need to take this parliament seriously, and really raise, when we are raising issues, Madam Speaker, because these are issues that affect the people of Uganda, and we find solutions. We don't dramatize them, pick them sarcastically. Madam Speaker is a honorable member, Ssemujju, Nganda, in order to assume that when I stand here to speak on behalf of the Prime Minister, I'm just speaking because I came early, that you are not aware that I'm here to represent government is in order.
You know, the problem, we've made this house a house of jokes. As far as I know, I have a written communication delegating Honorable Bahati to be a leader of government business. I have it, and once it is written to me, I don't have to come and announce it to whoever wants to hear. So he's acting as a leader of government business. What matters here is what is being said. The issue of deployment of JAT, which we have said we are going to check. You should check and report back to the House. Okay?
Finally, Madam Speaker, and Bahati, you know, we know each other.
Honorable Bahati.
I am just sympathetic that every day you are the government and every day you come early. I am actually giving you credit.
Honorable Bahati was voted in to come to be in this parliament. If you're not good at timekeeping, don't infect Honorable Bahati. Honorable Bahati is always here and is here earlier than anybody. Okay?
So finally, Madam Speaker, the Deputy Speaker, his elevation gives Uganda a good name, as you have rightly observed. But as the leader of opposition also observed, this Uganda keeps deadening itself. You have had now media managers, MDs, being added to the Uganda Communications Commission. After General Muhoozi tweeted that he's now in charge of media, they will see me the following day they are being summoned. The outside is very, very careful when you are...
Honorable Ssemujju, not Seungu. Seungu is Catholic. Honorable Ssemujju Ibrahim, can't you ever, for once, finish what you want to present in the House, what you want to deliberate upon, without mentioning a name from the first family?
I can, Madam Speaker, if the first family is still being in charge of Uganda.
Are they here for you to discuss about them? If somebody was here, I have no problem with discussing a person who is here. Let's get serious.
Yeah, but Madam Speaker, even the one who is supposed to be here has never stepped here. The Minister for Education, has she ever stepped here?
Okay.
But the point is about the media.
Honorable Minister, I have Honorable Gwang here, who is the Minister of Education, a State Minister of Education and Sports. So stop saying that there is no Minister of Education here. Next item. Yes, Lillian. Lillian.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I want to thank you for this opportunity. Right, Honorable Speaker, wouldn't it be procedurally right if this House grants Ssemujju an opportunity to Honorable Ssemujju Nganda an opportunity to maybe meet and interact with the members of the first family directly, so that we can spare time of this Parliament to discuss other issues?
Honorable members in the public gallery this afternoon, we have a delegation from Maokota North County, Sembabule, Maogola, North County, Sembabule District. The delegation is being led by my colleague, the Speaker of the district, the Deputy Speaker, and includes all the speakers and deputy speakers of the 6 counties in Maogola North County. You're most welcome, and they are represented by Honorable Shatis Kutesa Musherure. Shatis, can you just greet your people? Honorable member, my colleagues, the speakers, you have a very good member of Parliament.
Thank you so much.
And the other representative is Honorable Bemugisa Mary.
Yes.
But I am telling you, you have gold in that lady.
Thank you so much, Right Honorable Speaker. I want to appreciate...
Honorable Namuga.
Yes.
Hey, size mate. This is a shadow minister.
Yes. Right Honorable Speaker, thank you for giving me the opportunity to welcome my people to Parliament. Thank you so much for leading this House with distinction. Thank you so much. We are so proud of you.